surprising twist of crunchy chocolate crumble.
Landi ang puta.
Red Ribbon Mocha Chocolate Crumble. It's making like never before. And always by Red Ribbon. What gives you stress? Dami! No stress. No fear. Check that.
Celebrations together with ETC and Jack TV presents the most awaited concert of the year. Taylor Swift live in Manila. Happening February 2011 at the Araneta Coliseum. Also brought to you by Madesh, the #1 pad that keeps you completely protected from leaks, odor, and irritation. And Carefree, the #1 liner for that everyday fresh panty feeling. You're watching Project Runway Season 6.
Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na. Tayo dyan, tayo. Hindi.
Chardana. Mr. Runway, thank you very much. Listen. You're in. Please meet the runway. Nicolas? You are the winner of this challenge. Your ice cream blew us away. You really used your time to produce something memorable and exquisite. Your fancy outfit also matched.
Hello, Lolo. Hello ka kay Lolo.
Really impressive.
Hello, Lolo. Lola.
For the next challenge, it's not eliminated. Please make the runway.
Thank you.
It is absolutely amazing. The judges
Hello ka sa Lolo.
loved it. Somebody even called me an artist.
Hello ka dali.
I'm always seeing
Mag-hello ka.
Park has $100,000.
Hello.
I'm here to win this competition and nothing's going to stop me.
Christopher, good job. You win. We can meet the runway.
Kaya sabi sa'yo, yung dalawang mali yung ano.
Diyan ka lang
Kulay
muna.
green tsaka yung kulay yung ano.
Mamaya, papakita ko sa'yo mamaya.
Come on. Let's try to meet the mark. This garment was a smooth going neck.
Mamaya, papakita ko sa'yo mamaya.
There were some glimmers of creative
Punta ka muna doon kay mami.
story to the execution.
Ay, hindi ka nag-hello eh.
Release.
Yeah.
Too costumey and criticism. You could have used
Bulaga.
drama.
Ay, may ipis yata.
Didn't give us any sense of who you
May ipis yata dyan. Oh, ayun, oh, gumagapang, oh.
was, unfortunately.
Ayun.
Come on.
Nako. Saka na doon kay mami. Siya naman talaga na tanggal.
Kaya yung green.
Kiss muna. Hello ka muna pala. Mag-hello. Hello. Lolo. Oo, malaglag. Ready ka kay mami? Ready ka? Ready ka na dali eh? Mag-hello ka na pala.
Project Runway.
Hello.
That your next challenge will be quite colorful.
For this challenge, you will be working in teams of 2.
Team challenges are a pain in the neck. I'd rather just do it myself. It's just, that's fine.
She doesn't give me any direction. She just says, I don't like it. Oh my God, so much stress.
One or more of you will be out.
Dirty yan.
Modern girl wants to win that challenge.
I don't know what it's
Nasa hindi lang, ah.
pumpkin disco ball in the shower curtain.
Nasa hindi lang.
Did you really think they went together? They don't.
Nasa ibabang nguso mo. Paano yung lakad ng buntis pala? Paano yung lakad ng buntis? Dali.
Ingat, pakita mo nga dati lakad. Paano lakad mo?
Paano yung lakad ng buntis?
Dali. Di ba yung ganyan? Ay! Ako! Ay!
Ganyan, magaling mo dyan.
Oo nga, siya yan
Dali,
magaling.
ikaw nga, nakabuntis ka. Paano yan? Project ka.
Lakad buntis ka na dali.
Wala na si mami. Nakabuntis ka, matabang siya.
Nasaan lakad ng buntis?
Dali. O, ganyan din, nakabuntis.
And get there over there. Look. What happened here?
Mamaya.
Wala oh.
Sige, mamaya. Magbabay ka na pala. Naka-3 ka yata eh.
Ina.